So here's a question from my Westie friends out there. I've reassembled the housing. No more bearing chatter. It sounds really good. Got it in pretty tight. Tapped it in. Used the old inner race, basically and the aluminum drift, to tap that down over on the cement block. Got it all tight. Even used the rudimentary press I've got just to make sure it's down tight. What I'm finding is that if I'm grabbing the hub or grabbing the axle and I'm holding onto the housing, you can hear that. Now, my question is that going to vanish once I get my hub back on and get the crown nut down tight? Or have I got another issue here, either with the axle or maybe my housing has gone out of spec? Anyway, throwing that question out there, I'd really hate to put this all back on and find out I still got the same problem. Anyway, that's it for now. Nice, Jim.